I'm Joel Basinger. I'm a marketing manager for John Deere application products. And today we're looking at the John Deere See & Spray Select product for our 400 and 600 series sprayers. What this does is it uses camera technology. So we have a camera mounted to the boom every 3 feet that is analyzing the soil as the sprayer moves through the field, looking for that green object, that green weed, whatever's out of place. If it's a corn plant or Palmer amaranth, identifies it, sends it to our processors, and then actuates our sprayer nozzle, each individual nozzle, above that weed. And then does all that within 200 milliseconds as we're going 12 miles an hour through the field. All that's done automatically, seamlessly from the cab. This is focused for customers that are in fallow ground applications. We see kind of east of the Rocky Mountains in those small grains, the Canadian prairies, Pacific Northwest, and really focusing on those that have that in their rotation currently. This is for those small grains areas, but as we move in the future, we'll start looking at that green on green applications and into more of our row crop applications. That'll be kind of down the line. The biggest things that we need to be prepared for is, this technology is integrated. So you have the opportunity to understand exact apply, understand our precision ag components, because it all integrates together. That's really the foundation that we built See & Spray Select on. So a good understanding of our current products will help with this, and is going to help on the future as we add more and more applications for this new technology. So the end users are those customers that are really looking to save chemicals on that pre-emerge, that fallow ground application. We're seeing on average 77% savings. So that opens up your chemistries that you might could use, because you are saving money. Maybe you could put a more complex tank mix. Customers that have maybe some resistant weeds in those fallow ground areas that are trying to attack that. But overall, just trying to minimize overall use of chemicals in their application. We really want to make sure customers they have that chemical fallow, that already are doing it. They're making those applications, and that understand what their overall chemical program looks like. So that's a good discussion to have, because that's not always the discussion that ag equipment people have with their producers. So getting an understanding of what their chemical rotations are, even if maybe he's not a fallow ground guy, in the future he's going to need to know that information also. So that's really a good way to describe it. We can talk about the basics of the technology with each customer, but we're really focusing on those fallow ground, small grains customers today.